Bang, ayo guys, this is Linga FX. Let us analyze together ZAR-USD using clear price actions. Just a breakdown analysis, guys. I'll first mark my low and mark my high here. This is what my strategy says. In the monthly time frame, I mark my low and my high where the market started. The impulse movement. Okay, I won't start here because this is 2009, long time ago. So I'll just take to the current market. So then after marking the low and the high, which is my support and my resistance, I'll mark the zone, my possible reversal zone where the market tap and the market reverses. Okay, okay, guys, I forgot something, but don't do as I've done this. Sorry. After marking the high and the low, you throw your major key. Sorry for that, guys, because we have to start mark the low and the high and throw major key for you to see the direction of the overall market in the high time frame. After I've done that, you mark the possible reversal zone where the market tap and the market reverse, mean that you're expecting a reversal thing when the market hit that area. After that, on the month time frame, you just draw break down. Scale down mean to say to the lower time frame. This is the high that we have on gold. So now in our current market, we have two touches. This first touch and second touch. We just come to the second touch then to mark our trend inside the major trend. You see, meaning that we have two touches here, two touches, two touches. So yeah, now we're expecting the market to come here and drop for our third touch, momentum grab, breakout, retest, 90% to be completed. But for now, let us see what the market is going to do. Then, after seeing that we have two touches in the weekly time frame, this is our weekly time frame, guys. We have two touches, so we'll continue looking for those possible reversal zone where we expect a change in direction or a reversal on these nice areas, on these zones. So okay, this is what I'm seeing here. So okay, it is what it is right now. It's I'm done with the weekly, so I'll go to the daily time frame and see that are we still seeing the same movement which applies in the daily time frame. So we have our two touches. We then mark our daily trend line here, and we also have two touches. So then when I see that, okay, me seeing that, okay, we have two touches there, I'll continue look for those zones. As you see that the market has been bullish for some time, which is gold. So right now I'll continue marking these zones. But guys, I don't advise you to just mark too much because make the chart dirty. So then after seeing that, okay, now the market is still bullish, so I'm expecting a third touch even if even in the daily time frame. So yeah, the market came here with this double top here. So now here the market is on this area. So we had a double top. We expected the market after the double top to retest on this neckline. After it retest here, it just drop. You see, break this low. After breaking this low, retest it and drop to this dead touch here. But the market didn't follow that. So now we'll just go to the 4 hour where we just look demand and supply, because we know that at the overall the market is bullish, and we're expecting a third touch there in the daily time frame. So here we mark our support and our resistance. This is where the impulse started. It's a strong zone. It's a strong zone. So I'll mark it. Let me clone this one. And then here we go. So the impulse started here. And if you can check, this is a strong zone because the market tested this area. Understand? The market tested this area. It just break it and retest it. Understand? This was a beautiful retest. So to the current market, I'll mark those possible reversal zones where the market tap and reverse. When the market, when you can see the market tap here and it just break it, and you see, so the market rejected here. The market, you see, this was a strong zone for hour. So, guys, it's wise for you to see those zones and make sure that you mark it correctly in the 4 hour, because this is the strong time frame for you to execute. Understand? To get those sniper entries when the market tap, you just know that okay, the market will buy. Because if you can check here, this market, the market break this zone, and this zone was expected before, and you expect to see okay, the market when it comes here, I'm just buying the market. You understand? Because if you can see here, the market just break this area without retesting it. This was the retest of this break here. Understand? As it was a strong zone. So if you can check here, the market was bearish in this area, and it break here. One, two, three touches momentum grab, and then the market did this, and then it buys, tap here to retest this strong zone. Here is the market right now. So for the completion of 90% here, understand, or this area, we have this two sell zone. Let me mark it right now. Let me just remove this. Here is our strong sell zone, and if you can check, it's on the 1 hour. Let me do like this because this thing doesn't want to do what I want. So sell zone. Oh no. Okay. This are my sell zone, guys. This and this high. So now this is a 4 hour, as you all know. So I'll do this trend line to see that okay, how the market going to move after this. As you can see that we have two touches, so this zone will help us, as you know that the market, let's count one, two touches. So now, guys, I'm expecting for the market to come here, understand, and it retest and complete this 90%. But if the market breaks this mini zone, understand, this mini trend line, meaning to say this one, you see this one, if the market breaks here, so I will mark this as my interest area, because if you can check, this is a strong one. You see, if the market do the thing, I'm waiting for it to break here and retest to form a dead touch. Understand? It might here, like, let me just do this. It might come here because I'm just doing what the market I believe it shall do. Okay, I think now it's okay. We just remove this one. We just remove this one. I think now it's clear. So then this is my own option. But the reason of me doing this is that the market in this area, it was bullish. If you can check here, if you can check. So for it doing this, I'm expecting for the market to drop. But for me to take these buys and looking for the higher high there, I'll take buys if the market, okay, the right. If the market do this, I'll then wait for the buys. So tomorrow is NFP. So if the market come to this area and you see retest, I'll enter for the buys to this area. But if the market doesn't, I'll enter for the sells. Pretty sure. And aim this 6 7 is to risk reward ratio. So that is what I'm expecting. But my strong thing is for the sales and gold. But I will see. I will see and check what the market's going to do. Okay, let us drop to the, because this is the strong time frame. Let's drop to the 1 hour and see what we have. What we have right now, as you can see, the market is bullish here, and of it being bullish, let me just shift this because of those other touches. Okay, as you can see, so I will take for the buy. I will just enter for the buy when the market come here. Understand? And break that high there. So I think it's clear, but I'll wait for it. If the market come here and break here, I'll just enter for the south. I believe it's clear. Thank you. Meaning that for NFP tomorrow, around 3:30, if the market break and retest here, we'll be selling for NFP. Understand? But if it doesn't, we will buy for NFP to this high. If the market maybe tomorrow past or during 1 is still in this area, we'll target the nearest resistance. You understand? Because the market will show that it's rejecting this area, because if you can check, this is the strong zone. Check the touches. Understand? I think it's loud and clear. Thank you.